I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make low-carb peanut butter. First, you'll need to gather your main ingredient, raw, unsalted peanuts. These form the foundation of your healthy spread. Roasting them yourself is a simple step that significantly deepens their flavor and helps them release their natural oils, making the blending process much smoother. This method gives you full control over what goes into your food, ensuring a genuinely low-carb and delicious result. To get started, you'll need approximately 2 cups of raw, unsalted peanuts. This amount yields a decent batch of peanut butter. The most crucial piece of equipment is a powerful food processor or a high-speed blender. It's what transforms the peanuts into a smooth, creamy butter. For flavor, you might consider adding a small pinch of salt to enhance the natural taste, and perhaps a touch of a low-carb sweetener if you prefer a slightly sweeter spread. Once your peanuts are roasted and cooled, place them into your food processor. Begin processing, and initially they will break down into a coarse meal. Don't stop there. Keep blending, and you'll notice the peanuts starting to release their natural oils, transforming into a thick, pasty consistency. It's important to pause and scrape down the sides of the bowl frequently. This ensures all the peanuts are evenly processed, helping you achieve that perfectly smooth and creamy texture you desire. Once your low-carb peanut butter reaches your desired consistency, transfer it to an airtight container. It will keep fresh in the refrigerator for up to 2 weeks, ready whenever you need a healthy snack. This delicious spread is incredibly versatile. Try it on crisp celery sticks, blend it into your morning smoothie, or pair it with your favorite low-carb crackers. It's a fantastic way to add healthy fats and protein to your diet. Be sure to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.